Hi, hope you're all good. And today I'm going to make a shopping bag for Barbie, or other small dolls you could say. So we start off with a piece of card, 18 centimetres by 10. What I do is I go a centimetre in, I score it, I make a small indentation, I get my scissors and I make a small, just a small dent all the way through on both sides with the card. And that way we can fold it. See, so we've already got our bag ready. These little bits, I always like to V them off. So, see, just V them off. See, before we actually stick it, I want to stick a picture on it. A good way of using a picture is these perfume bottles, these testers. They come with little bits. So if I cut this off, I want to try and keep it nice and smooth as possible. And then what I want to do is I want to and it's best to stick your pictures on the bags before you put the bag together. There we go, I think we can trim it off a little bit off that side. I should measure everything, but I'm just doing it freestyle a little bit. So then take a bit of glue, glue it as centre as possible. And now we have a, once that dries that will look good. So let's stick the sides, let's chisel the little V bits in. Oh, before I stick the sides I'm going to use two little pieces of string I found and I'm just going to glue them in. I'm going to use a glue gun to glue these in because it would be so much easier. You can use a normal glue and it would be okay, I just want it to be quick. There we go. There's one. There's two. Right, so let's stick the sides. Just normal stick glue, paper glue. Right. Fold it, get it in line. Make sure you get both sides nice and lined up. Whoops, there goes my glue. So if I had a little bit more time. You've got to hold these together now. And this is the only problem with paper glue, you've got to wait for it to set. So we have a extra bag. Oops, let's get these all glued in properly a little bit more. So try and put a bit of pressure on it. And then she has another extra bag. But you can change all the symbols up, put any design you like on it, even stickers. Make a whole bundle of them so it looks like she's just been shopping. Anyway, I hope you like. Subscribe if you like. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.